Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A42, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from the SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the Contact app, which for me it's right over here. Once it's open, you can see we have at the moment 5 different contacts. So from here, let's go into right here, the 3 bars. Go to Manage Contacts, Import or Export Contacts, and from here import. So we want to import them from SIM card, so let's select SIM, and it will show you all the contacts that are on that SIM card. As you can see, there's only a few of them for me, and what you want to do is just simply tap on the ones that you want to import, like so, and from there click on Done. Then import them too. We only have one option, phone, but if you are logged in to a Google account or for instance your Samsung account, it will probably show up here as well as an option. So once you select it, tap on import. It will give you a 4 contacts imported, so okay. And now we can go back, and that's about it. Now we can also restart the Contacts app just so you can see the change. And I believe it didn't actually import anything because those are all the same contacts already. You can see the 4 contacts right here, so these ones are the ones that are also on that SIM card. So if we go back to it, you can see that those are the same ones. Now if you import it and now you take out the SIM card, these contacts will stay in your contacts list, and assuming you haven't done that before, if you remove your SIM card, those contacts will just disappear. So that's the benefit of importing to your device. But that is basically how you would do it, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.